Welcome and congratulations on making it here. I hope you're grateful that someone thought enough about you to invite you to learn more about our cloud nation. But first, let me ask you some simple questions. Would you like to play a part in fighting poverty on a global scale? Would you be happy to contribute in a small way to this ideal? Helping can be absolutely free, or not, as you choose, and will never consume much of your valuable time, probably less than 5 minutes a day. You know, to me it's inconceivable that a loving parent would want some of their children to suffer in poverty whilst others had more than they needed. And so I believe that God created Eden as a set of laws that, if followed, would provide everything anyone ever needed for all of his children. I believe that Eden was never just a place and never disappeared. The laws for God's abundance in Eden were simple. Love one another, serve one another, live in harmony and respect one another, and share love and abundance. But temptation, represented by the serpent and the apple, caused envy and greed and selfishness, even hate. The laws for God's abundance in Eden were simple enough, but breaking the laws created the situation that we have in the world today, where abundance is not evenly distributed, and some suffer from poverty while others have far more than they need. But we now have the chance of a lifetime to claim back God's abundance for all in Eden Revisited, found in citizenship of WeShareAbundance. So what do we offer our citizens? Peace, love, hope, harmony, health, happiness, liberty. These are all the elements of God's abundance, and we share them willingly with everyone through our community, within our community, and outside of our community. You'll no doubt have noticed that we've not mentioned wealth. When most people think about abundance, they first think of wealth, but what we offer cannot be bought. It can only be earned through loving service, and no longer will you need to chase money. Chasing money never gets you anywhere, except an early grave. You'll find that money will start to chase you. Tony Sayre said, "Chase the vision, not the money. The money will end up following you." However, let's be very clear that we are not a get-rich-quick plan. We are not a business opportunity, and we are not an investment. Income generated by our citizens is not passive, it is earned income. But it can be earned in under 5 minutes a day with no skill or special knowledge required. I know that 2 questions are probably now going through your mind. How much can I earn and how fast? Well, I started by telling you that we're not a get-rich-quick plan. Our mission is to fight poverty on a global scale, so we do this by making it very simple for all our members to generate and get paid out $50 a month. And you may think that $50 a month is not much. You may think that $50 a month is not worth your time of about an hour a month. But you may have spent years getting into a financial mess and now seek an instant solution. Stop seeking the impossible. Put your trust in God by thinking of how you can serve others, and you'll find that all your needs will automatically be met as you choose service to others above your personal desires. $50 a month is just an initial goal, and $50 a month can be life-changing income for some people, especially in parts of South America, Africa, Asia, and even for some people in Europe and North America. You may have already decided that this is not for you, and that's fine. We know you'll be back sooner or later when the full potential of what we offer is understood. We also know that when you do return, you'll wish you'd started on the path to true abundance today. And for those of you still here, I'll reveal much more about WeShareAbundance now. I'll explain the true potential of our community and how everything works. But please have an open mind. because what's about to be revealed is a true paradigm shift from everything you've learned in the past. Starting with our mission, which is to build a community of like-minded people who seek more than just material gains. A community built around service to others, and so create a sustainable economy, helping to spread rays of hope in the hearts of the poor and forsaken, kindle courage in the hearts of the despondent, and light new strength in the hearts of those who think they are failures. This in turn will generate additional income for charitable works focused on curing the causes of suffering rather than treating the symptoms. My spiritual guru Paramhansa Yogananda said, once you realize that life is a joyous battle of duty, and when you become filled with the joy of making others happy by giving them kindness and peace, in God's eyes your life is a success. We all want to find success in our lives. So how does our community work and help us achieve this mission? We have our own internal economy measured in our own currency, the WESA Token. WESA's value internally is calculated by a formula based upon the gross national product of our nation, sometimes referred to as Eden Revisited. WESA's value is protected by a guaranteed minimum value within the community, and this value can never decrease. WESA's value outside our community is based on supply and demand, and if the market value is higher than the guaranteed minimum value, then we use the market value to calculate any spending within the community, ensuring that we always offer the best value for money. Our citizens are paid in WESA tokens each month for completing simple tasks. These payments are calculated in US dollars, and at the end of each month, the balance accumulated is calculated in WESA tokens and transferred to the members. The balance can then be used internally, or saved, or withdrawn subject to the external liquidity of the WESA tokens. Current tasks that earn members money are as simple as logging into the members area and reading any messages received in your inbox through our internal messaging system. The rewards earned by completing these tasks can be increased by staking WESA tokens. Understand that a stake is not a purchase. It's a deposit, just like depositing money in a bank. It's always your money, and at any time you can request a cancellation of your stake and receive a refund of any deposit that exceeds payments already made to you. There's no requirement to stake, and income can be accumulated without a stake. But withdrawals can only be made by citizens who are 1. Staking, and that can be as little as just $2, and 2. Know Your Customer KYC verified. And new members can earn $2 simply by setting up their account, and so from the second month can start staking with no out-of-pocket expense. Total stakes can be $2, $5, $10, $20, $40 or $100, and staking $100 is classed as elite membership and maximizes income for these same tasks exactly that are completed by all members. Staking is designed to pay you an income of 50% more than the total stake over a 30-day period. Not necessarily consecutive days. If you miss a few days, you can still have more days. It's 30 days that you actually earn rewards from completing tasks. And the rewards for a 30-day completed stake are as follows. Stake $2 and you'll get total returns of $3. Stake $5, you'll get total returns of $7.50. Stake $10 and you'll get total returns of $15. $20 will return you $30, $40 will return you $60, and $100 will return you $150, provided you simply complete the tasks. These tasks are simple. Log in, read any messages that are in your inbox. The reward you earn will allow you to stake again at the same level and pocket up to $50 a month simply by spending a few minutes a day logging in and reading any messages, and that's usually accomplished in 2 or 3 minutes or even less. This is the start of creating hope, in that anyone, anywhere, can very easily generate $50 every 30 days at no cost. And $50 is just the start. Each stake that you make also grants access to a pool of citizens. Pool 1 is the $2 stake. Pool 2 is an additional $3 for a total of $5. Pool 3, an additional $5, total $10. Pool 4, an additional $10 for a total of $20. Pool 5, an additional $20 for a total of $40. And Pool 6 is an additional $60 for a total of $100. You must stake the pools all in order, and lower pools must be active for higher pools to also be active. So if pool 1 expires and you've also got stakes in 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, they will be suspended until pool 1 is restaked. You won't lose anything through this. Your stake will always be there. It just will be suspended until such time as the lower pools are reactivated, restaked. So what are the benefits of pool membership? Well, very simply, there is a free monthly nest egg lottery for each pool. We call it a nest egg lottery because we know that the amounts we pay out cannot be withdrawn in 1 month like that. They're there in your back office and they will accumulate in value, and you'll be able to draw portions of them as determined by the liquidity of the WESA token. You will also find that you will be able to message fellow citizens in the pool, and this can generate you additional income if you are promoting valid and valuable programs to our members. They may well join you and you can earn additional commissions from anything that you promote. The pools are randomly sorted each month into a 5x infinity matrix, and your position in the pool matrix in any month determines the number of citizens you can message and also the allocation of lottery winnings. Additional income can be generated by introducing new citizens to our nation, and once they begin staking pools, you can earn income from those introductions. And this income is paid through 2 levels at 10% on each level based on the value of the stake. So if somebody is an elite member staking all 6 pools for $100 a month, that would mean that you are earning $10 a month from having referred that person. And if somebody that you introduced refers somebody at the same level, you would also earn $10 from that second level. There's also a bonus plan called the Power of 1, where your total income can be increased by anywhere from 10% to 100% for consistency